If Canva is showing an error loading your design, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common solutions step by step so you can get back into your project as quickly as possible. Make sure to watch until the end, and if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, start with the simplest fix. Refresh the page. Sometimes Canva just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly, and that alone can solve the error loading design issue. If the design still will not open, move on to the next step. Now check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can stop Canva from loading your design correctly. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run the test and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is weak or dropping in and out, that could be the reason Canva is failing to load. If the connection looks fine, try switching networks. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot, or if you're on hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi network. This helps you determine whether the issue is coming from your current network rather than Canva itself. A simple network change often fixes loading problems right away. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. These tools can sometimes interfere with Canva's servers and block the design from opening properly. If you have a VPN turned on, switch it off, then go back to Canva and try loading the design again. In many cases, Canva works much better without the VPN or proxy connection active. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Since Canva runs in your browser, old cached files can cause loading errors or broken sessions. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Choose the Cached Files option, clear the data, and then restart your browser. After that, go back to Canva and open your design again. Once you've gone through these steps, Canva should load normally again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue, whether it's a browser refresh, a connection problem, a VPN conflict, or a cache issue. If the design still does not open, you may want to try signing out and back in, or test Canva in another browser as a next step. I hope this helped you fix the Canva error loading design issue quickly. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Canva troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.